Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I'm really excited because we have a collaboration and it's called What Would You Make? And the host of this collab is OK at Home DIY. And the co-host is Marsha from Mushin and Stuff. And then the guest host is Kiki DIY. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels and the guest host down in the description box below. So, and also the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist to see how everybody creates with wood. So jumping into the video, I decided to make today a pumpkin centerpiece with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. So here you see me painting these two bars. They're pretty much readily available, at least at my Dollar Tree where I am. So we're going to paint those two green bars in black. We've set those bars off to the side so those can dry. And now I bought 3 of these pumpkins at the Dollar Tree. We're going to remove that raffia tie at the very top of each of the pumpkins. And then we're going to start painting these. We're going to be painting them in white and black. going to paint those other two and then set all three of them off to the side and get started with the bows. So that's what I'm doing here. The ribbons and the sunflowers I did purchase at the Dollar Tree. So now with all three of the pumpkins, I'm going to be using this glass beads. I purchased that at Dollar Tree also. See, that's what they look like. Now, we're going to be adding Mod Podge to the white portions of the pumpkins, and then we're going to be adding the glass beads for texture, and then go back in and add some glitter. And that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so I repeated the process for the other two pumpkins. So those I set aside and let them dry. So what we're doing now is we're bringing the two bars over. We're going to use the Fix-All adhesive, and we're going to dab that in certain areas of the bar, and we're going to use some hot glue. The hot glue is going to be an instant stick. The Fix-All adhesive is going to take 24 to 48 hours to cure, so you don't want to mess with that too much. Make sure and be in a well-ventilated area when using this glue. So now this is what we're doing now. We're gluing that together, and then we're going to leave that sit. We move the bars over to the side, and now we're going to bring the pumpkins back. I already made the bows for all three of the pumpkins. So now what we're doing is we're hot gluing the bows to the top of each one of those pumpkins. Isn't that cute? Now that the pumpkins have the bows, we're going to move that to the back and we're going to bring the bars back. So what I'm doing here with this nautical rope, the natural color, is we're going to go around that bar, almost like framing out the bars with that nautical rope, and that's what we're doing here. And we're going to be using hot glue for this.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Off some embellishments, and then we'll be done for the reveal.